Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washer and the Miheki Portable Washing Machine. Both of these compact solutions are designed for small living spaces, but they cater to different needs. Let's find out which one is the better choice for you. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washer boasts a maximum washing capacity of 8 pounds, making it suitable for moderate loads. In contrast, the Miheki Portable Washing Machine has an operational capacity of 11 liters, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry experience, especially if you frequently wash larger items. When it comes to functionality, the Super Deal Twin Tub Washer operates semi-automatically, requiring manual intervention for filling and transferring clothes. On the other hand, the Miheki Portable Washer is fully automatic, allowing you to set it and forget it. This feature makes the Miheki a more convenient option for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. In terms of portability, the Super Deal Twin Tub Washer weighs 23.5 pounds and is not designed for easy relocation. Conversely, the Miheki Portable Washing Machine is incredibly lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and features a foldable design, making it perfect for travel and storage. If you need a washer that can easily be moved or packed away, the Miheki is the clear winner. In conclusion, the choice between the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washer and the Miheki Portable Washing Machine ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a more powerful wash for everyday clothing, the Super Deal is the way to go. However, if portability and ease of use are your top priorities, the Miheki is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.